cocktail. You can take a glass in front of you. You'll be needing your squeezy D. That's going to be your Saint-Germain elderflower liqueur. And then you will be needing squeezy number C. That's going to be your Prosecco, your bubbly one. And then the last one is going to be sparkling water. The sparkling water will be the San Pellegrino green bottle in front of you. Alright, you can just take that. Those are the three ingredients you'll be needing for your next cocktail. Alright. Just a bit about Saint-Germain elderflower liqueur. It's a very popular liqueur that people like to use. They call it the bartender's ketchup. So you can add it to any cocktail and you'll actually elevate it. It's an amazing drink. So here you'll find that the three ingredients that we're putting in, one of it is a liqueur, which is about, if I'm not wrong, liqueur is about 17%. Your bubbly, that's going to be at 11%. And then lastly is just soda for effervescence. Right, so this is also a low alcoholic beverage, but you will find it to be very delicious. So what's going to happen now, you take your jigger, you're going to be taking number D, your elderflower liqueur, you're going to be pouring 15 ml worth inside the glass. Nice. You need help? Alright, so once you have done that, 15 ml worth of squeezy number D, your liqueur is in, you will take number C, right, your Prosecco, and then you're going to be pouring 30 ml worth inside. Need more? Yeah. Just take this. If you want, you can add this one as well.
D is
50. And then C will be 30. Yes. Anyone needs help? If you need more of a certain ingredient, let us know. You can look around. Okay, so once right now in my glass you share two ingredients. Squeezy number D and then C. Number squeezy D and then squeezy C. Last one is going to be your sparkling water. So just take a stand up, just open it up, and then you're going to be pouring in 30 ml worth in as well. All right. Awesome, great. Same thing. We're going to be taking your bar spoon. You need more? What do you need more? D is it? D, right? Alright, so let's take your bar spoon, mix it all up, and then obviously we're going to be garnishing it. This time you got two options because we're using elderflower liqueur. And then we also use Prosecco. These are a bit more brighter, herbal, fruitier flavors. So you can drop in your berries, or if you still have your time, you can drop that in as well. Alright? Your blueberries, not the strawberries this time. So you can drop either one in. This one is slightly bigger. What is slightly bigger? You want to do this?
I don't want my already feel my stem.
Okay, and then the same way that we enjoyed the earlier cocktail, once you put the garnish in, going for a sniff, and then have a sip. And this time I want to kind of appreciate the flavor of the elderflower liqueur, the effervescence from the Prosecco, and the sparkling water coming through.
Nó bé nhiều rồi. Nó bé nhiều đẹp rất là nhiều.
See, so we're going to also, don't worry, the lightning. It's amazing to take the timelapse. Yeah. But if you don't mind, why don't you share with us about how you enjoy this cocktail right now?
Okay, let me have a I mean, it's certainly more floral.
Right.
More floral. And Yeah, I don't know what else is added in there. But
Right, so the Prosecco, I mean, other than maintaining the ABV level, is just there for a bit more of a fruitier flavor. And then sparkling water just to kind of dilute it down a bit. Alright? So you'll find that if you have this at an event or at a party, very easy drinking. Elderflower cocktail is actually very popular. If I've ever made, there have been a few times I've made a cocktail and elderflower just straight up to elevate it. Alright?
Can I ask a question? What if you don't have Prosecco? Any suitable substitute?
Yes, okay, so
Andy.
Alright, so Andy just asked a question. And this is about ingredients. Alright, so what can we substitute the Prosecco with? Let's say we don't have the...
Run out, maybe.
We are out of the
Or
Prosecco.
finish, yeah.
Alright, so what we can do is that we know that, so what, when we are missing a certain ingredient, we try to identify what was the role of the ingredient for. For the Prosecco, we know that it's there for the bubbles. And it's also like it's a white wine, it's just a bubbly white wine, right? Slightly more fruitier. So if we can find an alternative for that, it would be great. Now the effervescence or the bubbly is also covered by the sparkling water.
Yeah.
Means now I just need a drink or a component that can actually just sustain the ABV for me. So a white wine of similar flavor profile will work.
Okay.
Right? If you are also able to change out the color, if you're okay changing the color, you can use a different ingredient as well. Right? So this is how we'll find alternatives for cocktails. If you ever run out of something.
Okay.
So you can use this same approach with more drinks.
I will.
And if you just ever want to be creative and want to come up with your own cocktails as well, you can easily do it as well. Just make sure you have 3 or 4 components. You have your liquor, you have something that was sweetened in the cocktail, something of a citric component, and then optional is just a bit of bubbles or something to dilute the liquor. So you just need like 4 stuff to come up with your own cocktail.